A balanced advantage fund is a hybrid fund. A hybrid fund is the fund that generally invests into both equities and debt. A balanced advantage fund further is a type of hybrid fund जिसमें dynamic asset allocation होता है. What that dynamic asset allocation is that at the point of time, based on the market conditions, the fund management team or the fund manager of that fund will take a decision how much to invest in a equity and how much of the portfolio should be invested into debt. इसका benefit ये होता है that by doing this dynamic asset allocation, investors can manage their risk in a very effective manner and at the same time get the benefit of long term growth from equity and the cushion that is provided further by having some investment in the debt instruments. Now, how is a balanced advantage fund different from a balanced fund, also known as a balanced hybrid fund? Well, both balanced fund and balanced advantage fund invest in debt and equity because they are hybrid funds. But the main difference between a balanced advantage fund and a balanced fund is that a balanced fund has to have a minimum investment of 40% into both equity and debt. So maximum investment that a balanced fund can make into equity is up to 60% and vice versa for debt. Whereas in terms of a balanced advantage fund, as per the SEBI guidelines, there is no restriction in terms of how much a fund manager has to invest into equity and how much the fund manager has to invest into debt. If they want to invest 100% into equity, if they feel that there is a good opportunity in the market, and they can do that. And if they feel that the market is very expensive right now और उनको सारा पैसा अगर डेट में डालना है to reduce the risk of the portfolio, then they can effectively do that in a balanced advantage fund. So that is a very important point which gives a lot of flexibility to the fund manager. And over and above that, since a balanced advantage fund can put as much amount of money they want to put into equities, सो अगर वो 65% से ज्यादा अगर एक इक्विटी में इन्वेस्टेड रखते हैं अपने एसेट्स को, तो उनको टैक्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी एक इक्विटी के टैक्सेशन की ट्रीटमेंट मिलती है विच इज मच मोर फेवरेबल देन अ डेट टैक्सेशन इन अ म्यूचुअल फंड.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.